Hi, my name is Elizabeth Lee. I am currently a senior studying mechanical engineering. I produced a project called Existing Quietly, Living Loudly through the course Asian American Literature taught by Professor Haerin, Shin. My project's title is first called Existing Quietly, Living Loudly, and it's a webcomic series that is basically my way of sharing my story as an Asian American female student at Vanderbilt University. Small snippets of my life where my identity is a crucial part of how I interact with this world, the society, some from microaggressions to fun, small incidents I realized because I understand both Korean, Asian culture and American culture. Yeah, so as an engineering student, it's kind of weird to go back to my arts roots. I grew up loving to draw all the time, and when I came to college, in high school and college, I stuck more with the STEM side of myself. But the latter, as a senior, I started realizing I'm missing a lot of I'm drawing again, I'm being part of art as well, so I decided I want to make a comic series, and luckily this really intertwined with my course, Asian American Literature, where our final project was to do anything that has to do related to what we learned in the class. And my Asian American identity is something that's really a big part of my life, and a lot of these stories, it's hard to sometimes just go up to someone and tell about incidents that happen, so what better way to share some of my stories through drawing. So yeah, that's the inspiration behind this project. So this is my first time doing digital art on a tablet, and it was so weird drawing on a piece of block but not having to look at a different screen to see the output of the drawing. But what I learned is just how much I miss art, and how I'm really glad to have this opportunity to share my project at Celebration of Learning, and looking forward to drawing more comics and continuing my series.